Even in a city as diverse as it is now, there was a time when San Antonio was divided by redlining. It made getting a mortgage nearly impossible in areas like San Antonio's east and west sides. But before that, property deeds also had racial restrictions targeting Hispanics and African Americans. Federal law outlawed both practices, but those official records still have that discriminatory language in them. But now Jesse Degollado says a new state law will give property owners the option to have those racial covenants removed through the courts.
America's seventh largest city has come a long, long way in over 300 years. Yet within these deed records at the Bexar County Clerk's office, troubling reminders of its past. Restrictions against Negroes and Mexicans, not only buying homes and property, but even where they'd be buried.
These racial covenants shouldn't be in these deeds. It's a wound that hasn't healed yet.
Those prohibitions, even though declared unconstitutional, still remain of record.
The senator from Dallas says he co-sponsored SB 30 that's since become law to clean up those records. As it is, Bexar County already attaches a provision to every deed declaring any restriction because of race is, quote, invalid and unenforceable under federal law.
So you would know that we don't condone that, we don't allow that.
For instance, before becoming San Fernando Cemetery number 3, according to Sunset Memorial Park that bought what had been Roselawn Cemetery at the time, one of the plots there has a deed that, quote, will not permit any person of Negro blood to be interred and shall not be transferred to any person or persons of Negro blood. Many deeds of homes in gentrified neighborhoods also have similar discriminatory language.
There's been reports where people are shocked that they find these deeds when they purchase the house.
You cannot just file directly with the county clerk and expect it to be removed.
First, she says it would take a district judge ordering the racial restrictions be removed.
It's a chipping away of the symbolic expressions of racism in the country.
Jesse Degollado, KSAT 12 News.
Now, there was an important detail left out of the legislation. How will county clerks physically remove the discriminatory language from these old documents without damaging them? The Bexar County Clerk says she and other county clerks hope to get clarification this week during a training session on Wednesday when the law goes into effect.